Hi. Uh, I'll make a dedication for my friend Adele because I'm bored. So here goes. When you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I feel right to the cracks, but now I'm trying to get back. Before the cooldown run out, I'll be giving it my bestest. And nothing will stop me with divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. But I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. And open up your plans and damn you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family. And it's our God-forsaken right to be love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate our time. It's short. This is our fate. I'm yours. I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer, but my breath fogged up the glass. So I drew in a face and I laughed. And I guess what I be saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. And open up your plans and then you're free. And look into your heart and you'll find that the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate. Cause our time is short. This is O, this is O, this is our fate. Cause I'm yours. Thank you very much.